Roles and responsibilities of a deep learning engineer at the workplace. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to start your career as a data scientist from scratch, then you are in the right place. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning. The main responsibility of a deep learning engineer is to develop and improve self-learning architectures, particularly for intelligent systems. Compared to the work of a machine learning engineer, a deep learning engineer will typically work on more technical tasks. From a theoretical perspective, the tools that a deep learning engineer uses are more advanced than the ones that a machine learning engineer does. Chatbots are a common application of deep learning. A chatbot on a business website can resolve customer problems within seconds. This AI-based application chats online with customers via text or text-to-speech. A noteworthy point is that a chatbot has the ability to communicate and perform actions similar to a human. In addition, a chatbot delivers automated responses to inputs from the user. Chatbots are used extensively in customer interaction, sending instant messages to clients, and marketing on social network sites. A chatbot generates different types of reactions using both machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Let's understand what a deep learning engineer does at the workplace first. As a deep learning engineer, it's not enough if you master some algorithms and know how to apply them to the data at hand. Your work is much more creative than that. You always start from the requirement phase. Let me explain. You first identify the problem for which you need to find a solution. Here, the most important point is to note that not all problems need deep learning solutions. Hence, in the first step, you analyze the problem. Then, you determine if you can solve the problem using traditional algorithms. If the problem can be solved successfully using traditional algorithms, you can save enormous amounts of resources and energy. If not, you are free to select a deep learning solution. Considering this primary job role, a deep learning engineer needs to have excellent skills in statistics, calculus, probability, and programming. Familiarity with different data science concepts will also be helpful. Today, I will share with you some valuable tips on various roles and responsibilities of a deep learning engineer at the workplace. Let's look at the key responsibilities of a deep learning engineer. A deep learning engineer needs tons of analytical and problem-solving skills. Hence, the most essential responsibilities of a deep learning engineer include developing algorithms based on standard statistical modeling procedures, building and maintaining scalable machine learning or deep learning solutions in production, designing advanced algorithms and performing complex computations using mathematical formulas and techniques, reading research papers, searching hyperparameters, defining evaluation metrics, and training deep learning models, extracting useful insights by analyzing large and complex datasets, training and retraining machine learning or deep learning systems as required, familiarizing with various libraries and algorithms and applying them for appropriate data, managing the infrastructure and data pipelines needed for taking the code from the development stage right up to production, designing and developing data and model pipelines by collaborating with data engineers, applying various deep learning frameworks, libraries, and algorithms in an assortment of scenarios to provide product guidance, contributing ideas and feedback to help streamline bug fixes and feature requests, designing and building clear and compelling prototype projects to guide users and demonstrating company products to customers, keeping the company apprised of the latest developments in applied and theoretical deep learning, prototyping new features for visualization and analyzing cutting-edge deep learning research, collaborating with all the project stakeholders to identify and assess business problems, clarify the needs, and define the extent of the resolution required, providing assistance to machine learning engineers and data engineers in the implementation of correct machine learning and deep learning techniques in a product, and finally, working with various machine learning and deep learning frameworks and libraries such as TensorFlow, Theano, Caffe, Keras, Deep Learning 4J, and PyTorch. Now that you've looked at the roles and responsibilities of a deep learning engineer, let's see the courses you'll need to pursue to become a deep learning engineer. How to become a deep learning engineer. The deep learning courses on the AI Sciences platform provide you with a solid foundation in deep learning algorithms, artificial neural networks or ANNs, convolutional neural networks or CNNs, recurrent neural networks or RNNs, and Python. We have a detailed course on the AI Sciences platform that covers the A to Z of data science and deep learning. We also have a short course on deep learning. Name of the course, Mastering the A to Z of Data Science and Machine Learning, 629 lessons. This in-depth deep learning course covers the essential elements of data science and machine learning in great detail. 3 sections in this course are devoted solely to deep learning. Name of the second course, Deep Learning ANN, Artificial Neural Networks with Python, 114 lessons. This short course will give you an expert grip on the concepts of deep learning and deep neural networks. If you're interested in learning more about becoming a deep learning engineer, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your deep learning and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our deep learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.